In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add extra information to your cross-section plot. This information might be to represent guardrails, tree lines, guideposts, property boundaries, different pavement treatment, gas or fibre optic lines. What this process involves is drawing or creating polylines that exist on a certain layer, and then on the cross-section plot we can use use the line work on the layer to display either some text or an AutoCAD block. So what I'm going to do to start off with is create a new layer, and I'm going to call this one, what I might do is add some guideposts. So I'll call this one guidepost. The next thing I'm going to do is just draw in some polylines where I want the guideposts to be. But this could be anything, as I said. This could be to represent trees or property boundaries, etc. So I've created the polyline on guidepost. The next step is to go to my cross-section plotting. And I'm going to head over to the row options tab and select on set row information. The command I want to use is called boundary by layer. How it works is I specify the layer, in my case it's guidepost. I then set the search distance. I'm going to search 20 meters either side of the center line. The software is going to find the closest point that it finds. I'm going to display this on a surface. You do need to set a distance below and above in a layer. You do have the option to add text, but you don't have to. I'm going to put in the information for some text because I think the software likes it when I do. And then what I want to do is at this location on the surface, I want to attach a block, and I do have one here called guidepost left. I don't have to specify an X or Y offset, but I could offset it from that position, and the block will be created. I'll just pick a random layer for it. We'll go symbol, click OK, click OK to that, and then update the display. So as you can see on the cross section where the polyline exists, the software has added that block in. That could be some text. I could use it to represent other features, as I said, such as the guardrail, property information, different pavement treatment, or maybe even existing pipes if you don't want to use the ARD service obstruction tool.